Today we are in Chinatown. We are visiting for the first time since the lockdown ended. Let's go see how things are getting back to normal. New York is starting to get back to normal and everything's starting to open up. You can still definitely see how Chinatown is still trying to get back to where it once was. There's still a lot less people than there was once before. With a lot of different restaurants and food available at Chinatown, outdoor dining has been something that's become really popular and helping these restaurants. Although many stores are open again for outdoor dining, many are still closed and don't know when they're going to open up again.